this video as short as possible. You can request your beta key and check them out yourself. The first module of the software is the dashboard. Here you can see the statistics of your Video Marketing Blaster Pro campaigns. Besides this, you can view the popular searches made on YouTube from different countries in the past 10 days. You can easily select a different country and view searches made for the selected countries. The second module is called Keywords. Here, you can find keyword suggestions for a specific niche. You simply enter a main keyword, the niche, and click on Research Keyword. It's that simple. We use a very complex algorithm to find related and long-tail keywords. You will not find such a complex algorithm in any other keyword tool. You can check the option Get Search Results, and you will see the number of videos ranking for that keyword on YouTube. As you can see, the keyword suggestions returned by Video Marketing Blaster Pro are amazing. For each keyword, you will see its rank, its source, where it comes from, and the estimated search results. In the Video Details module, you can automatically generate SEO-optimized video details for your keywords. You can generate video details directly by clicking on From Competitors and checking the options you want. The Competitors module will help you analyze your competition and will tell you what you need to rank your videos better than theirs. Whenever you want, you can clear the title, description, or tags field and write your own details. The Competitors module will help you analyze your competition and will tell you their weak spots so you can profit from them. For each competitor, you will see how many keywords they included in the title, description, and tags. What makes Video Marketing Blaster Pro better than other tools is that we will analyze your competitor titles, description, and tags to see if they are ranking because they have related or lexical semantic keywords. This feature was possible thanks to our own complex lexical semantic engine. We worked hard to make this engine as good as possible, and all the hard work worth it. Now, we are able to back engineer YouTube search engine. Besides this, you can track the competitors' views, likes, subscribers, and estimated views per day. You can easily export this list to HTML or CSV so you can later use it. The last module is the Rank Tracker. With the help of this module, you will be able to trace the rank of your videos or your competitors' videos. Adding a new video is easy. We simply enter the video link and the keywords we want to track. For each keywords, Video Marketing Blaster Pro will tell you if the video is ranked on YouTube or on Google. I really hope